My previous video, I showed you how you can create a USD card and you can use it to make payment online directly from Nigeria. So in this part 2 of the video, I'm going to teach you how you can claim your card after making deposit to your Naira account. Now I have made deposit to my Naira account and I want to make claim to my USD card. But first thing first, I'm going to convert my Naira to dollar in my dollar account. So what I'm just going to do, I'll click on convert first, then I'll click the amount in Naira, then I'm just going to convert this to $3. Then on my account, then once I convert, then I'm just going to claim my card. All right, I have converted my Naira to USD $3. So right now I'm just going to head over and I'll switch this. I'll switch it to my dollar account. Then I'll just go over to my card and I'll click on claim card, and they are going to charge me $3. If you don't verify all this information, you need to verify them. Then I'm just going to click on next and I'll wait for my card to be created. Immediately now I have received my card, my brand new card. As you can see, congratulations on your new card. Now you need to top up your card to activate it. So I've got my card here. This is my card. I've got my card. So now that you've claimed your card, the next thing is for you to fund your card. So I'm going to fund my card with 15,000 Naira. Then I'm just going to click here on my USD and I'll click on top up. Then once I click on top up, I'm just going to click here and turn it to my Naira. Then I'm going to type 15,000 Naira. Then I'll see the equivalent in dollar here. I'll see the equivalent in dollar, which is $11.61. So I'm just going to click on top up. Then I'll click on confirm. Then you put your password, and that is all. You've activated your card and you've top up your card. So right now you are ready to use your dollar card to make any payment of your choice. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to smash the subscribe button, share this video, because there are so many people who want to know how to claim their card. Thank you.